Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we keep our reviews clear, simple, and honest. Today, we're talking about Samsung's latest smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 7. It's here, and we've been testing it to see what's new, what's better, and what it's really like to wear every day. Whether you're a fitness fan, a Galaxy phone user, or someone just curious about smartwatches, this review is for you. At first glance, the Galaxy Watch 7 looks familiar. Samsung didn't change the design much, but it still feels modern and premium. The frame is made of aluminum or stainless steel, depending on the model you choose. It's smooth, strong, and lightweight. The edges are rounded, and the fit is comfortable on the wrist. The build is solid. You can wear it all day, at the gym, or even while sleeping. It's water-resistant up to 5 ATM, and IP68 rated. That means you can swim with it, shower with it, or get caught in the rain without worry. It's built tough, but it still looks sleek. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. Both have AMOLED displays, and they are bright, colorful, and sharp. The bezels are slim, and the screen goes edge to edge. It's easy to see outdoors, even in direct sunlight. The always-on display also helps you check the time without raising your wrist. Everything looks clear, from notifications to watch faces. The touch response is fast and smooth, whether you're scrolling through menus or swiping away alerts. It all feels quick and responsive. Samsung added a new processor to the Watch 7. It's the Exynos W100 chip, and it's faster than before. Apps open quicker, animations are smoother. Even switching between tasks feels more fluid. There's also more memory now, which means fewer slowdowns. The watch handles everything from fitness tracking to music control with ease. It runs on Wear OS, but it's Samsung's own version. You get the Google Play Store, but also Samsung apps like Health Messages and Bixby. The interface feels clean, easy to use, and familiar if you've used a Samsung device before. One of the big upgrades in the Galaxy Watch 7 is in health tracking. Samsung has added new sensors and improved old ones. The heart rate sensor is more accurate. It tracks your beats in real time during workouts, rest, or sleep. The watch can also take ECG readings, check blood oxygen, and even measure your body composition. That means it gives you insights into muscle, fat, and water levels. It's helpful for anyone trying to stay fit or monitor their health. There's even a new temperature sensor that can detect small changes in your skin temperature. That helps with tracking your cycle or spotting illness early. Sleep tracking has also improved. The Watch 7 not only tracks your sleep time but also breaks it into stages. It shows deep sleep, light sleep, and REM. It gives a score each morning and tips to sleep better. If you snore, it can record that too, when paired with your phone. Over time, the watch builds a sleep profile that helps you understand your patterns. It's not just data, it's useful advice. Fitness tracking on the Galaxy Watch 7 is excellent. It supports over 100 workout types. You can run, walk, swim, cycle, lift weights, or do yoga, and the watch tracks it all. For running and walking, it gives advanced metrics like pace, elevation, and heart zones. There's even personalized coaching that can suggest goals and track your progress. The GPS is quick to lock on, and it's accurate. Whether you're in the city or on a trail, the route data looks great. You can also pair it with Samsung Health on your phone to see maps and trends. Battery life is decent but not amazing. On a full charge, the Watch 7 lasts about 30 to 40 hours with regular use. That includes fitness tracking, always-on display, notifications, and some music control. If you turn off some features, you can push it longer. Charging is quick though. You can go from 0 to about 50% in 30 minutes. A full charge takes just over an hour. It uses a magnetic charger, and it snaps in easily. If you're used to daily charging, it won't bother you. But if you're switching from a fitness band that lasts a week, this may feel short. When it comes to smart features, the Galaxy Watch 7 is packed. You can take calls, reply to texts, and check notifications right from your wrist. It also supports Google Assistant and Samsung's own Bixby. You can ask questions, set reminders, or control smart home devices. You can also stream music, download playlists, or use it as a remote for your camera. NFC payments through Samsung Pay are supported, so you can tap and pay without your phone. The haptics are improved too. Alerts feel more precise and less buzzy. The Galaxy Watch 7 also works better with other Galaxy devices. If you have a Galaxy phone, tablet, or earbuds, everything connects smoothly. You can switch audio from your watch to your buds, or take a call and move it to your phone. If you're deep into the Samsung ecosystem, the experience feels seamless. If you're using another Android phone, it still works well. But some features, like blood pressure monitoring, need a Galaxy phone. iPhone users, unfortunately, are left out. Samsung dropped iOS support a while ago. So if you use an iPhone, this watch is not for you. Another thing to note is the customization. The Watch 7 has lots of watch faces, and many of them are free. You can choose from analog, digital, fitness-focused, or artistic styles. Some are interactive, showing steps, heart rate, or weather right on the face. You can also download third-party apps and faces from the Play Store. Straps are easy to swap out to. You can pick from sporty silicone bands, leather, or metal. It's easy to make the watch match your style. In terms of safety, Samsung has added fall detection, emergency SOS, and crash detection. If you fall or are in an accident, the watch can send your location to emergency contacts. This gives peace of mind, especially if you run or cycle alone. The microphone and speaker quality are good enough for short calls or using voice commands. It's not a phone replacement, but it works when your phone is in your pocket or nearby. Let's talk about price. The Galaxy Watch 7 starts at around $299 for the base Bluetooth model. The LTE version costs more. If you go for the larger size or a premium strap, the price goes up to. It's not the cheapest smartwatch out there, but it's well priced for what it offers. You get a premium build, strong performance, and lots of features. Compared to other Android watches, it's one of the most complete packages, and if you're a Galaxy phone user, it makes even more sense now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, you get a bright and sharp display, faster performance, and better health tracking. Fitness features are deep, and sleep tracking is smart. It connects well with other Samsung devices, and it looks great on the wrist. On the downside, battery life could be longer. Some features are limited to Galaxy phones, and there's no iOS support at all. But overall, it's a well-rounded smartwatch that delivers where it counts. So what's the final verdict? The Galaxy Watch 7 isn't a huge leap from the last model, but it makes smart improvements. It's more accurate, more responsive, and more helpful in daily life. If you want a watch that can track your health, help with fitness, and handle daily tasks, this is a great pick. If you own a Galaxy phone, it's even better. It may not last for days without a charge, but it gives you a lot in a small, stylish package. Whether you're a runner, a busy parent, or just someone who wants to stay connected, the Galaxy Watch 7 delivers. Thanks for watching this review on Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. We've got more smartwatches, phones, laptops, and gadgets coming your way. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Galaxy Watch 7. Are you planning to buy one? Or are you sticking with your current watch? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay sharp, stay smart, and stay connected with Tech Vibe.